We're talking about, this is on page 211. Page 211, number 26. I can do 32 in a minute. I want to focus on the story problem. I'm going to read the problem out loud. It says, Philip has $100 in the bank and deposits $18 per month. So for Philip, he has $100 to start with, and he's going to be adding $18 per month. I don't know where he's getting the 18 bucks from. You know, allowance, mowing lawns. Gil, because Gil is such a popular name these days, has $145 to start with. So he has $145 a month, and he earns $15 per month. Kid needs a better paper route. And the question was, at what time will, I think Phil's going to want to have higher. At what time will Phil have more money? Now that's paraphrased down. How do I take this statement about Phil's money in the bank and turn it into an expression? Let's, for argument's sake, let's say M equals number of months we're going to watch this happen. Not months. Months. How do I take this idea of starting at 100 bucks and then depositing? Deposit bank should be a key thing in your head about what operation we're using. If I talk about depositing into a bank account, what am I doing to the account? Am I adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Adding. $18 every month. What operation? Timesing. Multiplication. So for Phil, it's going to be $100 plus $18 times the number of months. Gil's, same idea. Start at $145, add to that an amount which is 15 times the number of months. Now I also talked about this idea that we have a rate and that these expressions are initial value plus rate times time. And we always have a variable for how long we're going to wait, or how many people we're going to involve, or how many cars we have to buy. And there's always a rate of so many per thing. You know, $100 or $15 per month. It might be $7 per student, or 98 miles per hour. All of those ideas. Now, I have to make sure I get the expression right. We want to know when Phil will have more than Gil. So which way do I draw the symbol? Is it a greater than or a less than? Greater than. I want the point when Phil's is more, so it's opening that way, than Gil. And then I just have to solve that. Which I want to move kind of quickly through because that's, I don't think, the hard part of this problem. We've done these enough times. I'd like to think it's the setup that's the headache still. And then I subtract 100 from both sides. 3m is greater than 45. Divide by 3. And m is thus greater than 15 months. So after a little over a year, Phil will finally have saved up more money. Which won't be a lot of money, but it will still be more money. Woohoo! So for those that were asking, how's that sit? Okay. We're going to be actually, here's the good news. So if we're good with this, let me call this done.